Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig. Well, I've never abandoned the show. So weekend ready, and Friday, what a long, big week this week. We've got a lot going on with the SEE Real Estate Awards. Looks like we got a couple new retailers joining us as well. Our event for SEE almost sold out, so it's going well at the Radisson Hotel in Bucharest, March 31st. So if you have we're coming up on the deadline, aren't we, of the nominations, or deadline is
next
here.
week. They say Monday's the deadline,
okay.
And then it'll go out to the jury, and by the end of next week we'll have a shortlist.
All right, so next Friday we'll have the shortlisted companies and projects for SEE Awards. So if you're doing business in Serbia, Bulgaria, Romania, looking to expand there, these are the people coming to our event. These are the people to meet. They're the busiest and just the most active in the region. We've also got our real estate guide, our ultimate real estate guide, Europa Property Ultimate Real Estate Guide from MIPIM coming up. Also, we're coming to the deadline of that.
Also got the deadline for that one. End of next week will be the deadline, and it's going really well, actually, Craig.
Yeah. No, it's a big. I think a couple of years of online events and everything. I think everybody's got things to promote, to show what they're doing, and also just to be there. So
it's reflected in the content and some of the materials we're getting in.
Yeah, good. So let us know anything for SEE Awards, and of course, next month is a big month with MIPIM as well. So those few weeks out of town as well, and just meeting everybody, and be great to see everybody. Having said that, we'll take a little break. We'll show you a little bit more about what's going on with the SEE Awards, and we'll be right back. Welcome to the 17th Annual Europa Property Southeastern European Real Estate Awards and SEE Forum, held March 31st at the SAS Radisson Blu in Bucharest, Romania. With the most active international, regional, and local investors, developers, and property owners attending, this event continues to be the single most important in the region. The deadline for nominations is February 24th, and with seating limited and the Radisson Ballroom quickly filling up, now is the time to reserve your sponsorship package or corporate table. Here we are. Welcome back. Friday morning. Winston, give us some great news to go into the weekend.
Into the weekend, yeah. So here are here's your news for the weekend.
All right.
And we'll start in the Czech Republic today. And Colliers has represented Bosch Termotechnika. They've sold a manufacturing facility there. It's a 14,000 square meter manufacturing facility, which offers 15 manufacturing units. It's on a 4-hectare plot, and it's been sold to the ISMM Production and Business Corporation, a Czech manufacturing company, which supplies agricultural machinery throughout the European Union.
Oh, okay.
And according to Colliers and Bosch, they're really happy that this deal's been finalised, and it's being taken over by another company that's in a similar area that can use the manufacturing facility, the industrial facility, because in that industry it's kind of a problem if you've got an industrial facility that's already prepared to work in one particular area. Then it's
switch it over.
It's good if you can switch it over. Somebody needs what's already there, and they say that it guarantees the further cooperation and employment of 400 people in the region.
Wow, great. Good to hear that they're keeping their jobs.
Yeah, that's good news. Yeah. Staying in the Czech Republic, and Colliers have also reported on the investment volume for 2021. And they report that it was a slight decrease in volume for 2021.
Okay.
Compared with the year before.
Oh, okay.
But I think it's a general. This is in line with what's going on the last couple of years, which investment has fallen because of the pandemic. But they say that the fourth quarter was an exceptional quarter, though, which saw an 8% increase year on year.
Okay, so trending up.
Well, it's a good sign for 2022, and they say the outlook for 2022 is, they're positive because they think the market will turn to pre-pandemic levels, and they're expecting around 2 to 2.4 billion euros of investment in 2022, which is quite a big rise compared to what was closed in 2021, which is around 1.8 billion euros.
Right. Well, it's a lot of money, and it'll help, I think, raise us all up a little bit. You know?
Yeah, and they just finalised that report saying that they expect logistics, which is going very well, to continue its momentum, and offices will pick up.
Okay, great.
Also, some interesting opportunities in retail.
Right. Well, we've seen some office deals, some development plans moving forward, haven't we, over the last couple of weeks?
That's right, yeah. Coming to Poland, and Atrium European Real Estate have announced a big deal and an interesting concept, and they said that Adidas is going to open its flagship store in Warsaw.
Oh, okay.
And this is a new concept, and it's going to be in the Warszawa Junior building.
Okay.
Near Rondo, Central Rondo there, right in central Warsaw.
That's a great shopping area.
Yeah, and they say that this store is going to be the Adidas' largest and newest in the CEE region, and it's going to offer environmentally friendly solutions and advanced sustainability solutions. So it's an interesting store that will come online in the summer of this year, hopefully. It will offer 2,400 square meters of space and will be across 3 floors, so it's going to be a big store.
Massive, okay.
Yeah. And finally for today, Tetris have announced, or they've announced the employment of a new support officer for corporate clients in the EMEA region, and that's Edita Lezion. And she'll be working with corporate clients across the EMEA region.
Great. Well, interesting about Adidas. I guess that's one we should look at for the retail awards next year. Yeah, it's one of the pretty big change in the market, I think.
Yeah, I mean, these retailers are coming out now with new concepts and new stores, and the Adidas. This is what people do. It's more of an experience, not just going there to buy a product. They're going there to check products out, and yeah.
Wow, great. Well, I can't wait. Hopefully we get an invite to the grand opening or something. Okay, well, is that all we have for EuropaProperty.com news, the highlights for today? Yeah,
they're the highlights for today. Yeah.
All right. So anyway, everyone, thank you for joining us this week. Again, we have over 8,000 viewers a week. So if you have any news or anything, send it through to Winston. We're happy to get it in. If you'd like to become one of our partners for the week, we do some interviews, run some ads. It's a lot of fun. Let us know if you have anything new to talk about. We definitely like to hear it, and I think our listeners and our people watching our show would like to hear it. So enjoy the rest of enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and we will see you Monday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.